Hollyoaks stars Daisy Wood Davis, 27, and Luke Jerdy, 28, have been dating for 2 years, meeting 5 years earlier through a mutual friend. Daisy, who plays Kim Butterfield, and Luke, who plays Jesse Donovan, are happier than ever within their romance and have spoken out about their future plans in an exclusive interview. Speaking exclusively to OK magazine, Daisy confessed, "We are genuinely best mates. That's where it started from, and I've never had a relationship like it before. I've always been a bit judgmental of people who move in really soon. We moved in together within 4 or 5 months. I've never moved in with anyone. I've always been quite scared to do it. It's just because we knew each other before, so we just knew it was right." The pair, who often share loved-up photos with each other on Instagram. Daisy added, "We speak about it quite often. We're just excited for the future. Have even spoken out about having children in future. I'm more bothered about having babies. I can't wait to have babies." Luke continued, "I've always wanted to get married abroad, somewhere sunny and exotic. If I can make a 5-a-side football team, including me, that would be good." And the Hollyoaks stars aren't the only star from the show to find love, as Jackie McQueen star Claire Cooper and Brendan Brady star Emmett Scanlon even tied the knot back in 2015. Plus, Cleo McQueen actress Nadine Mulcairn is actually official with on-screen partner Joel Dexter, even when the cameras stop rolling. Reflecting on the romances between her castmates, Daisy told the Daily Star, "They're all in genuine relationships. I know there can be showmances, so you might think, oh no, that's not going to last, but with every couple, they're all brilliant, so it's lovely. We've got Nadine and Rory and we hang out with them quite a lot. It is a bit Cupid, I suppose."